So, hi guys, I am in Charlottesville, Virginia. It is 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius. And guess what? It snowed! Look at this! It snowed this much, even on the roads. Isn't that nice? This is more snow than I've ever seen in my life. Alright, and we're gonna be walking around some of the malls. I wonder what's going to be here. So we're in downtown mall, Charlottesville, Virginia. Look at all the little places. It's a really historic place. So here's a little brief history. So this place has been here for thousands of years. First, the indigenous people lived, or the Native Americans. Then in the 1700s, like 1760s, Thomas Jefferson, or the third president of the United States, lived here. He has his estate somewhere around here, and he named a university. It's some sort of university. We'll check that out. There's a railroad crossing. Wow. There's so much snow. We're gonna be crossing a railroad soon. Snow everywhere. Oh man, we're gonna be crossing a railroad. So excited. I wonder what's gonna happen. First it was cars crossing, now people crossing the railroad. Let's double check. Okay, here at these points we have to be careful because there's something called black ice. So you have to like test this around to check if it's slippery. So black ice may feel like it's water. Yeah, that tricks people. It's like shaped in these little icicle things, and once you like slide like that, you're gonna fall, which is not good. So these are like the little areas. We're in like downtown. Very historic. It's like a mini Washington. And this is probably from the snowstorm. It happened at nighttime, the snow.
He was checking people.
And look at these little places, all sorts of, there's a cat. It's cool, a cat with a top hat. Cat hat. And this is the downtown mall, so there's like all sorts of little places here. Hair designs. It's a restaurant or a bar. The Caspin. Huh. That's nice. Never heard of that place. And the snow globe. For some reason that tells me that's AI generated. that looks like it's AI generated image. And this is the downtown mall. It's really big. There's so much snow. It's like a mini New York. And all sorts of little places here. So much snow. You can't even grab the snow. It's like winter wonderland. It's pretty cold. Looks like that's some sort of little theater. Look at that. That's nice. It even has like some piano art. Music box on main. Nice. It's a theater. Paramount. This looks nice. Zocalo. Some cute restaurant. A Citizen Burger Bar. And an excavator. Italian cafe. And a national bank. This place looks nice. It's like an outdoor mall. And it's super cold outside, and I'm literally breathing steam. And look at this place, at Kilwin's, my favorite. It's like an ice cream place. But there's so much ice cream, caramel apples. Oh, look, a coin. And a bar called Laziz. The Nuke restaurant. Like a nuke, like an atomic bomb. The men's and boys shop. The bazaar, tea bazaar. It's like a bazaar of tea. Oh, on the right there's an arcade. Wow, that's cool. There's an arcade. More snow. It's everywhere, even on the plants. It's like some snow plants. More snow. Look at that. It's pure snow from the sky. Well, even on the branches of those plants. Some decorations. Look at that. I don't know what this is. It's like some sort of monument. And look at that. There's even snow that just topped it off. More snow, even on the tropical plants. What is this? Are we in snowy summer? Can grab the snow. I think you can even make snowballs. I caught snow. Oh. And there's a carousel. And some birds eating. Wow, you can get really close to them, like the birds. That's cool. Three-notched road, also called the three-chopped road. This colonial route ran from Richmond to the Shenandoah Valley. It likely took its name from three major east-west routes across central Virginia from the 1730s. It was superseded by Route 250 in the 1930s, part of Jack Jout's famous ride in the Marquis de Lafayette effort to prevent General Charles Cornwallis from obtaining munitions took place along this road. Today, West Main Street and part of University Avenue approximate the three chopped roads' original course, present-day Charlottesville, Department of Historic Resources. That's cool. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or the press or the right of the people peacefully to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. It's like covered in graffiti. I can't really read it that much. Look at that, there's snow on that thing. The Ting Pavilion. That is cool. There's like snow covering that. It's like a snowy mountain. Ting Pavilion. Look at that. Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and James Monroe. Those are I think Thomas Jefferson's the third, James Monroe's the fifth, and I think James Madison is the fourth. Wow. More snow. So guys, I'm now gonna play in the snow. Let's see if I can find any snowballs. This. It's like so slippery. And there's that area. I can walk in the snow. This is so cool. I can make snow angels here. Let's see. Look at that. Let's see if I can grab any snow. Found a snow. A tree. This is really cool. I found some acorn. It's like a winter wonderland. So much snow. This feels like I've seen more snow in my entire life. I could even snowboard down this hill. Oh, this is a big one. Look at this. I found this big of a snow piece. There's like snow all over me, but that's fine. Oh, you have to be careful because there might be black ice, but it technically is ice. So that's why I have these shoes that have traction. So you see they can go like this. So if you're playing in snow, be careful. You should be wearing shoes like mine. They have like traction because they can go like this. Now that's beautiful.